8 yummy detox drinks to try in summer. Summer is around the corner, and the only thing that can help us glide through this balmy summer is proper hydration. Drinking at least 10 glasses of water is an absolute must. But sometimes drinking plain water can be simply blah, right? So through this video, we are going to talk about some effective detox drink recipes that can make your hydration process more fun. So without much ado, let's hop into the video. Some delicious detox recipes for summer. Number 1. Cucumber and lemon detox drink. Cucumber acts as an effective remedy to flush out the toxins of the body, whereas lemon, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin C, and adequate consumption of vitamin C helps in cutting down the extra fat from the body. This detox drink will not help you to remain hydrated through the summer season, but will also help you to lose weight effectively. Procedure: take a water bottle or a mason jar, chop up a cucumber and slice up a lemon. Add the ingredients to the water and let it sit for a while. You can also refrigerate the concoction if you want and sip on the drink throughout the day. Number 2. Strawberry, lime and cucumber detox drink. Strawberry is a reservoir of fibers, manganese and vitamin C. Bestowed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, strawberries help in cleansing our body thoroughly. On the other hand, lime aids digestion and helps in ameliorating gastrointestinal ailments, and cucumbers are rich in nutrients and help in the hydration of the body. Procedure: add chopped strawberries, cucumbers and a few lime slices and some mint leaves in a glass jar. Now add water to the mixture and top it off with loads of ice. Optional. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours and your detox drink is ready. Number 3. Strawberries and blueberries detox drink. As mentioned earlier, strawberries are reservoirs of antioxidants, and these help in regulating blood sugar levels in the body. Adequate consumption of strawberries can also help you to reduce the risk of cardiovascular ailments. Blueberries, like strawberries, also help in maintaining blood sugar levels and are considered potent remedies for combating cancer and aging. Procedure: to a jug of chilled water, add chopped blueberries, strawberries and a few mint leaves and leave it for a few hours. Number 4. Honey, lemon and ginger detox drinks. One of the classic detox drinks to consume during summertime. This detox drink has the goodness of lemon, ginger and honey and is packed with essential nutrients and micronutrients. Ginger with its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, honey is rich in minerals and lemon being abundant in vitamin C. This detox drink is the perfect beverage to help you to flush all the toxins out of your body and cleanse your system thoroughly, making you healthy and fit from inside. Procedure: firstly boil 2 cups of water, then squeeze half a lemon in it, followed by some grated ginger. Let it simmer for some time and then pour the concoction into a cup. Add a tablespoon of honey into it and your detox beverage is ready. Number 5. Watermelon and mint detox drink. This detox drink is one of our personal favorites. This is one of the easiest detox drinks to make, but is packed with loads of benefits. Watermelon helps in keeping the risk of cardiovascular ailments at bay, and mint with its cooling properties and add freshness to the mixture. Procedure: add some chopped watermelon pieces and a few mint leaves to a glass of chilled water. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and drink it while it is chilled. Number 6. Grapefruit, orange and lime detox drink. If you are looking for a detox drink to help you to boost your weight loss process, then this detox drink is especially for you. According to studies, it has been observed that grapefruits improve and balance insulin levels, which helps you to reduce weight faster. Oranges and lime, on the other hand, are abundant in vitamin C and also help you to burn fat faster. Procedure: to a jug of chilled water, add wedges of oranges and grapefruits and thinly sliced lime slices. Add a few mint leaves and leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Number 7. Kiwi, rosemary and lime detox drink. Bestowed with anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary helps in elevating the symptoms of dehydration, and on the other, kiwi and lime forms the best combo to remove all the toxins from the system. Procedure: to make this drink in a glass, add a sprig of rosemary, 1 thinly sliced kiwi and lime. Add water to the mixture and you can also add some ice cubes. Number 8. aloe vera and lemon detox drink. Aloe vera is a reservoir of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. Due to its antibacterial properties, aloe vera can also be used to treat digestive ailments. It helps in preventing skin diseases and mouth ulcers. And lemon, by mobilizing bile from the liver to the small intestine, helps in burning unwanted fat easily. Procedure: take an aloe vera leaf and first wash it under running water. By slicing away the peel, scoop out the gel carefully. Now, slice lemon into thin slices and add all the incredible in a mason jar. Fill it up with water and let it sit for at least half an hour. Apart from the above mentioned detox drinks, you can also include some classics like ampana, buttermilk, green tea, and lemon into your list for summer. Now there you go, some delicious and effective detox drinks for summer. Do try these out and let us know in the comment section down below. Also, do not forget to remain hydrated and to drink loads of water or these detox beverages to remain fresh through this scorching summer.
That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.